Alright, so this is the actual demo of the amp. I'm going to play some stuff and I'll tell you what I'm doing with the amp so you get an idea of the features. Alright, I'm going to stay in the middle position on the guitar because I don't want to do a million different variations. I got the tone on the guitar turned all the way up, the volume all the way up, middle pickup of the guitar. Alright, so let's start off. The amp has no reverb on. The treble, mid, and bass are set to halfway, and the volume is about halfway, so we're just going to get some clean tones. Let's hear it. Turn the master up a little more. That was the amp volume halfway up. And also keep in mind that I'm finger picking, so it's not going to sound as aggressive as it would if I was using a pick. So yeah. All right, let's turn some reverb on. Got it about a quarter way up. Let's turn the tremolo on with this clean sound and some reverb. Sometimes it takes a second for the tremolo to get on. Alright, let's turn the volume up a little and turn the reverb about halfway. Let's turn the reverb up all the way. Turn the turbo boost on the foot switch. Alright, turning the reverb down to like just a bit of reverb, just to get it so we're not full of reverb anymore. I'm going to turn the volume up to 75%. at about 75%, you're hearing some of that breakup. That's low reverb. All the tones are set to 50%. Master's up right now at like a quarter. So it's got a great master. It comes after everything's gone through it, so it's the best quality master volume you can get. So you can dial in all the sounds and play it at bedroom levels or obviously at stage levels. Alright, let's turn it up. Let's turn the volume up all the way so it's completely overdriven to hear some of those nice overdriven tones. Turning the master down a little bit. I'm going to start with the reverb at 0. Nice overdriven, doesn't get into hard rock or metal territory. Really, maybe if you were picking it very hard, it'd be a little more distorted, but pretty good blues, jazz, reggae, sort of an incredible all-around sound for multiple styles. Let's turn the reverb up, give it a hint of reverb. Alright, we got the volume all the way up. Let's put the reverb up to halfway. Turbo boost. So that's pretty much gone everything. I'm going to go through some of the equalizer stuff just to give you just a slight difference in tone. I'm putting the reverb back to just a little bit of touch of reverb at a normal level. I'm going to turn I'm not going to go through the pull pots to hear every one of those, but I'll turn the bass up all the way and turn the treble down. This is at normal. Bass all the way up, treble all the way down. I'm going to turn the bass down all the way and the treble up all the way. Turn the treble and bass back up to halfway, turn the mids all the way up. Alright, that gives a good picture.